part. I'm recording now. So everybody bring out your pen and paper. So we're about to start segnale di precedenza. Segnale di precedenza. After today's class, people never pay their money. From next class, we don't go argue again. We said it every month na 30 euro. This lesson will be free. If you never pay your monthly this thing, please pay your money. It's very important. Mr. Jeff, every month here na 30 euro. If you know yourself very well, beg. They all pay people now. So pay your lesson money. Make we continue to dey go for that. Please, I beg. If you want to be enjoying this class, it's very important, please. All right, guys, let us continue. So we are starting segnale di precedenza. Now, segnale di precedenza, I'll take only the introduction part, and my brother will continue, our teacher will continue teaching. Please bring out your pen and paper. Now, segnale di precedenza is the third family concerning everything we concern segnale di prescrizione. Are you guys following me now? Remember, we talk about obbligo divieto. Now, the last family is called segnale di precedenza. Please, bring out your pen and paper. Oh. Me, I ask question. Shobuna know. All right. So we'll be starting like this. Now, when we talk about segnale di precedenza, I prepare a wonderful slide for us. Something we are seeing like this. Now, many a times when you're on the road, you see something like this. You will see box will be like this. You see box will be like this. Guys, watch. Now, inside this particular box, what happens here? Now, you can see there are two types. Follow me. Oh. There are two types. But before I tell the two types of box we'll get, I'll tell you their names. They call it what? Striscia transversale di arresto. Mrs. Annabelle, write and down. No, Michaela, don't talk. Write and down, Mrs. Annabelle. Write and down, everybody. They call it striscia transversale di arresto. They call it striscia transversale continua. These are the two names they call this particular box. This box one I see here.
Sorry, brother Charles. You said the first one, Strisha.
Yeah, I'm here. They're my screen. Striscia transversale di arresto and
Okay.
striscia transversale continua. Write them down. It's very important for you to know this thing if you want to discuss segnale di precedenza. Follow me. Oh. It get two names. They call it striscia transversale di arresto and striscia transversale continua. Follow me. Now, there are two types of segnale di precedenza. There are two types. Very, very important. Watch. Now, when you arrive there, you can see something like this. Now, how do you identify, say, what it is for your front? Now, segnale di precedenza. Now, before we continue, make a tell now how it be. How you can identify segnale di precedenza. How can you identify it on the road? Number one, look, guys, follow me. The triangle is the face down. You see a vertical signboard. The triangle is facing down. The triangle is facing down. It's not facing up. I have a question for somebody. Mrs. Annabelle, if this triangle they face up, what they call that segnale? Move on fast. On your mic, ma. If this segnale now you are seeing here, if it's facing up, what do they call it? All right, Mrs. Annabelle, now you have to ask you. All right, why she's thinking about it? Mrs. Mercy, good evening, ma. If this segnale now, if the triangle is facing up, what do they call it, ma? Hello?
If the triangle is facing up, it's called the segnale di pericolo.
It's called segnale di pericolo. Now, write it down, everybody. If the triangle is facing up, it's called pericolo. Should be remember. But guys, how do you identify segnale di precedenza? The triangle will be facing down. The pointed side they face down. Right and down, keep on one side. Is it clear now? So all segnale di precedenza is they face down. So the difference between him and pericolo is that this one they face for down. Is it clear now? So when you're on the road, if you see a triangle facing down, no, it's called segnale di precedenza. What is precedenza? You give way in English. It's called give way. Give way. Now I go take give way. Watch. It can be of two type. It presents itself in a two way, in two form. In two form. Follow me, everybody. Bring out your biro and paper, everybody. Bring out your biro and paper. This lesson, I go do the introduction part, while our teacher will continue teaching it. You know, everything with the inside. Now, follow me. Watch. The first one you see is what they call direct precedenza. How do you identify direct precedenza? Number one, they go paint them for ground. They go paint triangle thing for that place. Where they call waiting. See them. In that place, where they call striscia transversale di arresto or striscia transversale continua. Guys, watch. They go paint triangle for ground there. This one you are seeing here. They'll paint triangle on the ground, facing down. Now, guys, I'll tell you for free because we'll get there after some time. Anything where they paint for ground, they call it what? Who can tell me for all students? Mr. I dey come. Mr. Ifeanyi.
Orizzontale.
Eh?
Orizzontale.
Segnaletica horizontale. Exactly. Anything they paint for ground, what will come there
Il
actually for.
segnaletico orizzontale.
Exactly. We'll come there, let's say in 2 weeks' time. They call it anything where they paint for ground, they call it segnaletica horizontale. Now, for you to identify segnale di precedenza, number one, you go see them, they will paint it on the ground. Is it clear now? They go paint them for ground. Or they go put a vertical signboard like this. Something you are seeing like this. They'll put a vertical signboard. Wait there for road. Is it clear now? Follow me. Oh. Number two, they might paint there STOP. They might paint there STOP. Is it clear now? On that thing, what they call striscia transversale continua or striscia transversale di arresto, they will paint there STOP. Or you see a vertical signboard where they write STOP. Actually, I know the picture is not important. Just imagine, say this is a vertical signboard. They'll put there STOP stop. Is it clear now? Now, what do I mean? Instead of seeing this thing here, you will see STOP here as a vertical signboard here. Are you guys following me now? Follow me. Oh, it's very, very important, guys. Everything I teach you now here, they're very important. And they give you a good. So follow me in the world of data precedenza, because data precedenza is a very difficult topic. So you have to follow me attentively. I repeat again. The name they call this particular bus stop here, they call them striscia transversale di arresto, striscia transversale continua. What does this thing mean? Whenever you're driving your wonderful vehicle, in this particular box, you go stay here, you go wait and give way. What does it particularly mean? It means that you will look left and right before you move. Is it clear now? They call this box, for those that are doing quiz, they call it striscia transversale di arresto or striscia transversale continua. Is it clear? And remember, in that box, this kind of signboard you can find there, you can find it, they might paint triangular, in a triangular form. They go paint them for grand there. Are you guys following me? Who they call me? Mr. Henry. Okay, they fit paint them for ground. Everything go the face ground. They fit to paint them there. Is it clear? They fit to paint them there. Or they will put a vertical signboard. It's the same thing, like this. Number two, they might paint there STOP. Or they'll put a vertical signboard STOP there. Now, guys, watch. What is the name they call this particular guy? Any triangle where they go down, they call it direct precedenza. Write it down. I'll give you time to write it down. Whenever the triangle they face down, whether it is this one or they paint them for ground, they call them direct precedenza. Please write it down, everybody. Write it down, everybody. They call it what? Direct precedenza. Now, when it has to do with STOP, the name in Italiano is called fermarsi e dare precedenza. Or they can call it STOP. Is it clear? They call it what? Fermarsi e dare precedenza. Is it clear now? So I want us in this class to use the technical names. So whenever you see dare precedenza, remember, dare precedenza means say na triangular shape. Either they paint them for ground or they put them as a vertical signboard. Or they call it what? Fermarsi. What is fermarsi? Stop and give way. Is it clear now? All right, let us continue. What is the difference between these two guys? Follow me. Oh, see, I carry on a journey. Me and my teacher, that's what they teach you now on a journey. Is it clear now? We'll give you the reasons why and why and why. Now, what is the main difference between direct precedenza and fermarsi and direct precedenza? What are the main difference? The main difference are simple. Guys, when you are in this particular one now, what they call direct precedenza with your wonderful vehicle. Now, let's say, for example, Mr. Bernard, once you did for here with your wonderful vehicle, as you are driving here, now, if you find out that this main road here, let me use the word main road here, for this main road here, for now, use the word main road for now. Now, if I find out here for this principal road here, car no they come from left and right, I don't necessarily need to stop my car. Is it clear now? I don't necessarily, once I just notice it from far, no say this road is free, I'll just continue going. Is it clear? I put my trafficator light and go left or right. Are you following me now? Or even go straight? Is it clear? Now watch. If it is now fermarsi and direct precedenza, I must stop here. It is obligatory that, guys, you go with your wonderful vehicle, you stop inside this thing they call striscia transversale di arresto, put your car for neutral or gear 1. You go hold brake for that place. Put your car for gear 1. Now you now look left and right before you continue your movement. You must stop here. And I'll even go deep and tell you why. In this particular place, there will be STOP. They put it in places where we say the encroach, they have little visibility. For example, a curve feeding for around here. So you can't see who is coming from there. And it's a very dangerous situation. So it is obligatory to say you must stop here. Look very well before you continue. Now, for this direct precedenza own here, see, it's not the visibility here is better. Is it clear? That's why they will say when you reach here, you can even look, because when you are driving your wonderful vehicle, you should be able to see up to 100 meters. Is it clear? You should be able to see up to 100 meters. Now, for here, it is possible. That is why they will say, if you enter here, if you are in this particular road, and you notice a road, car no dey come from the main road, you can just continue your movement. Have you understood the difference? Let me repeat again. The difference is that in direct precedenza, it's not obligatory that you must stop your car there. If you notice that vehicle is not coming from the main road, why here it's obligatory that you must stop your car. Now, obligatory say you go stop your car. You must stop your car. Put on for gear one. I'll ask questions after. All right. Any question so far? Ask me your question before I continue. Any question? All right. Now I'm taking you on a journey. Follow me.
Continue.
Okay, sir. Now watch. Still on direct precedenza. Now, I want to explain direct precedenza. When I remember, we know say we get direct precedenza and we get STOP. Is it clear now? I want to teach you now. Direct precedenza. But before I enter that place, direct precedenza, look at this one they call STOP, for example, in this encroach. If you look very well, there's a curve here. So whoever comes here can't be able to see who is coming from here. See, it's a kind of road where it's very funny. It's a very dangerous road because let's look at this one for now. A car can enter here. From here, you can't even see it's coming from here. So it's obligated to say you must stop your car here before you go. Either you go straight or you go left or you turn here. Is it clear now? So it's obligated to say you must stop your car there. All right, let us continue. Guys, follow me. Follow me. Now watch. Remember that a junction is called incrocio in patente. It's called incrocio. Don't forget. Now, guys, follow me. I want to start explaining direct precedenza. Now, when we discuss direct precedenza, there are some particular names they call them, in which, for those that are going to be doing exam or that are doing quiz, you should know these names. You should know the technical names. There are names they call them. Now, focus your attention now. Focus your attention on every place will be direct precedenza. And if I tell you direct precedenza, I believe you know what I mean. Wherever you have this vertical signboard, forget about this one. We need to talk about this one for now. Focus your attention on direct precedenza. You should know that we're talking about this road and this road. Is it clear? Please don't look at this arrow here. Forget about the arrow for now. Just focus your attention on this particular road where we say them put signboard. Either they paint them there or they put vertical signboard there. Let us focus our attention on this place, A and arrow for now. Is it clear? Forget about this guy for now. Nothing there here. Now watch. What are the names they call this type of road? Number one, they call it strada secondaria. Now, for those who are going to do quiz, whenever you hear the word strada secondaria, you now know what it means. It simply means road will be now you go give way. Now you go give way. Is it clear now? Strada secondaria means say at a point you must give way. Is it clear now? On that name they call it again. Please write it down or you can screenshot it. They call it strada secondaria. They also call it what? Strada che non gode diritto di precedenza. Strada che non gode diritto di precedenza. Road that doesn't enjoy right of movement. For this type of road, they don't get right of movement. Them go give way. Are you guys following me? Please write it down. In case I go too fast, you stop me and ask me a question. Strada che non gode diritto di precedenza. Is it clear now, guys? For here, they don't enjoy right of movement. That you go give way. They will give way to somebody. Number 3, they call it what? Strada che non ha diritto di precedenza. Strada che non ha diritto di precedenza. Road that doesn't have the right of movement. That is what they call it also. Whether not this one or this one. Is it clear now? On that name, they call this type of road is what? Strada che deve dare la precedenza. Strada che deve dare la precedenza. For this road, that you go give way. Remember that precedenza means give way. So for this type of road, now you go give way. Strada che you, conducente, Mrs. Agatha, Mr. Bernard, and co, and every other person, Mr. Wilson, even if I don't know you, now you go give way for here. Is it clear? Strada subordinata. In some textbooks, they wrote it, it's written there. Is it clear? In this type of road, that you go give way. Lastly, strada di minore importanza. So for those that are between quiz, whenever you hear this name, strada di minore importanza, please, may your mind just go immediately to those roads be saying I go give way. Let me shock you guys. For here, you can find, it doesn't matter whether they put direct precedenza here. It doesn't matter whether they put STOP here. It still has the same name. You guys follow me? It still has, I just use one as an example. It's just an example. Is it clear now? So even if they put STOP, it is still the name of the road. Are you guys following that? So whenever your teacher tells you the technical name strata secundaria, please remember saying that you go give way. We're talking about this situation. For this encroach, in this junction, now you go give way. Any question so far before I continue? Any question? Mr. Omokwale, any question? Ask me your question.
Yeah, I thought here for all this things happening here now, the green is the one that has the right. So the black and the red is one that would not give way to the green. Am I
All
right?
right, let me shock you. Might stop you there. Now, that's what I said beginning. Focus your attention only on Strada, that precedenza road. Forget this guy for now.
Okay.
Forget him for now. Please. I want me one with the teacher.
Okay.
And the let's when they go piano. Just they follow me, even me and your teacher. They follow us. Forget this guy for now. And forget about this arrow. Is it clear? Now focus
Okay.
your attention
Okay.
only on these two. If you focus your attention here, I want to shock you. The knowledge of this particular topic will help you to understand when we go start to do go first pass. So no miss them. So they call this type of road, they call them strats. So whenever you find yourself here, even if the STOP hold you here, even if the data presence hold you here, they call it was strada secondaria, strada che non gode diritto di precedenza, strada che non ha diritto di precedenza, strada che deve dare la precedenza, strada di minore importanza, and lastly, strada subordinata. That is what they call these guys. Now, to answer your question, now something I will tell you after. Because I go piano. Is it clear now? So,
Okay.
what did happen
Okay.
for here? We never reach there. Let us focus
Okay.
our attention on who go give way. Now we dey focus our attention on who go give way. All right. Is anybody where this topic is still confusing about who go give way? Is it clear? We have something like this. We're talking about this CM here, something like this. Now, even if they put STOP here, even if they put vertical signboard here, okay, yeah, they put data precedenza here. It means, let me ask a question now to somebody. Mr. Wilson, what do they call this type of road? Give me a name for what I just taught you now, sir. On your mic, sir. Mr. Wilson, we'll do a sharp. Hello, Mr. Wilson.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, sir. Okay, can you tell us can you give us a name for this road? Like we just said that now. Give us a name.
Strada Presidential.
Strada precedenza. You mean give us the correct name? Which you write for your jotter now? I want to know. That you write for your jotter. Tell me.
Strada Gonas.
All right, I'm gonna go back again. No.
Sir,
Somebody say hey.
secondary.
Somebody say hey. Now watch my brother now. Either you screenshot them or you write them down. We'll do them again. Strada secondaria. Strada che non gode diritto di precedenza. Strada che non ha means you no get right of movement. Strada che deve dare la precedenza. Michela, wait. If you say strada precedenza, it means something else. Is it clear? All right. Strada che non ha precedenza. It makes sense. Now, strada che deve dare la precedenza. It makes sense. Strada di minore importanza and strada subordinata. Now they call these names of this road. Is it clear now, my brother? No do mistake. Eccolo qua ancora. See him again. But before we get to this one, let me. All right. Yeah. Okay. Lastly, okay. I'll ask the question already. Yeah, you're giving the names. I get question. Is anybody still confused about these two type of road? Is anybody still confused? Dare precedenza and femasi dare precedenza. One na dare precedenza, the one na STOP. May I ask a question before I go continue? Now, Mrs. Gift, I have a question for you. What is the main difference between these two guys? If you're there for here with your wonderful car, just tell us the difference between these two guys. Mrs. Gift.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, good evening, ma. How studies they go
Yes,
now?
sir. Thank God.
All right. Can you give us the difference between these two situations? Dare precedenza and femasi e dare precedenza.
Like this one, they put stop. So if you did the, which is the fermata di dare presidenza, you must
And they
stop
come.
for that.
I want you to tell us in our language so everybody will understand. Tell us in the language all of us will understand.
Like this one, you must give way.
Which one? What will be the name? You know, say that one na dare precedenza, one na femasi e dare precedenza. Which one you talk about?
Okay, this fermata now you must stop. It means stop. You must stop before. Then you look left and right before you go you move.
All right.
Then this one when they write direct precedenza, when the angle is facing down, that one you can go if there is no car in your right or left.
All right. Remember, it's called fermarsi, not fermata. Fermarsi e dare precedenza. And that name is called stop. Is it clear now? They can paint it on the ground. I get question for somebody now. Mr. We talked about before actually. We said it before, but it's called segnale horizontale. All right, guys. We are okay, Abi. Now, your teacher will come to give you. Now, I want to break everything down. Then we'll come to teach you now individually about every other thing. Is it clear now? All topic by topic. Now, one thing again when I go find, well, I want to explain also, is this particular situation you see here. Now, watch, oh, I've taught you guys about, let's take for example, Fermasi e dare precedenza, STOP. Let's take it for example. Fermasi e dare precedenza. Now, there's a particular situation where they call what? They call it what? Preavviso di fermarsi e dare precedenza. They call it what? Preavviso di fermarsi e dare precedenza. What does that mean? I want to show now. It simply means say, watch, oh. It means say, this guy here, see him, they'll put dare precedenza for down. They'll not put a segnale, they'll not put panel integrative on top. Call right there, STOP. They'll not write 150 meters. Now, if they put STOP there, 150 meters, this thing can be any value. It can be 20 meters. It can be even kilometers. It doesn't matter. It can be anything. Now, guys, I want to tell you something for free. It simply means say, matter of our language. It means say, you go first see, that is for front. For front, you will not meet, that is, you will not meet Fermasi e dare precedenza for front. I break them down again. It means say, look, the panel integrative is telling you that in 150 meters, you're obligated, I use the word obligated, that you have to stop here and give way to left and right. Is it clear? That means for front there, in that encroach, close to that place, not in correspondenza, but almost in correspondenza, you will see this Fermasi and dare precedenza. Is it clear now? You go see them for that place. And they'll put STOP whenever it's talking about Fermasi e dare precedenza. Now, if no be Fermasi and dare precedenza, you no go see STOP there. You go only see 150 meters. That one only dare precedenza. That's the same thing. You go first see the dare precedenza for back. That is, you go first see the preavviso. The preavviso di dare precedenza. You will never see STOP there. In the front, you will not see only what? Dare precedenza. Let me see if I have a picture for that one. No, I don't have a picture for that one. I don't have it. Maybe I have a picture for that one. Okay, I have a picture. I have a picture for that. Wonderful. Now, this is the main difference. Now, if no be STOP, remember, now waiting. Now, dare precedenza. That means you will see a panel integrative on top of there. For back, we go first there. You say, look, oh, this blue car. For if they go front now, you will not see dare precedenza for front. Like the arrow you are seeing here. Is it clear? And this one simply means preavviso di dare precedenza. Remember, it no mean preavviso di fermarsi. Because the reason why you see, Michele, wait, you will see fermarsi only when there is STOP. Don't forget, the names of these two guys is called what? I want to show you something. It's called dare precedenza. This one is called what? Fermarsi and dare precedenza. Now, if they can't put preavviso for dare precedenza simply means say they will only put a panel integrativo without any STOP there. They go first tell you, say, look, okay, but remember, say in 320 meters, you go find dare precedenza there. That is, you should give way. You will not apply every knowledge you know about dare precedenza for front. Are you guys following me? Now, if it is now the other way around, something like this, of course, you will see what they'll put STOP there, which means preavviso di fermarsi e dare precedenza. That means you go see first here for front, for your back actually. Then when you go front, you will now see what? Fermarsi and dare precedenza. In Italiano, they'll write a precede. Remember that your teacher have taught you this in precede means what you go see for front. Are you guys following me now? Now, what you go see for back is called segue. If you want to write it, write it down. Whatever you see in your front is called precede. 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 Whatever in your back is called segue. Segue. All right. Like play. We don't finish everything we consign, dare precedenza. Any questions so far? We don't do introduction about it. I don't teach you now, take identify them. Now, we're about to now discuss everything we consign. That is the people will get the right to go now. The people will get the right to go. Now, before I continue, I want to show you guys something. The people will get the right to go. Now, watch. Allora. Let me use one as an example, a typical example. Watch. Now, the question that my one of the students asked here before, he was talking about something like this. Watch. Oh. I don't know if someone's asking. Okay. Now watch. Everybody focus your attention only on this main road here. Only on this road. Not these two guys. Not this direct presidential road. Doesn't matter whether STOP or direct presidential. Don't focus your attention here. Focus your attention only on the main road. Focus your attention only on this road that is going straight. Now, what are the names they call those roads? Now I want to explain now. Write them down. Number one, they call it Strada Principale. So whenever you hear the name Strada Principale, please, students, remember they are talking about road will be saying now you get right of movement towards whoever is coming out of Strada Secundaria. Is it clear now? So whenever you hear the word Strada Principale in your book for road, in your patente, you know that Strada Principale is talking about the main road in our language. But remember, say, like our teacher told you guys that they've made some of these things oral exams. You start explaining. So you should know all these things. Strada Principale, now you get the now you're on the principal road. Now you there for year. Is it clear? That means you have the right of movement to hai la precedenza rispetto chi arriva da sinistra e da destra. That's why I put it X. Is it clear? Now you get the right of movement towards whoever is coming out from here. I have a funny question. Mrs. Annabelle. Hello?
I hear you.
My question is this, my sister, watch. You on the strap principale, can you turn right or can you turn left?
No, sir.
All right, you saying you know if you turn right or left. Again, on that one last question. Mr. Ifeanyi, you waiting for strap principale. Good evening, sir. Can you turn right or left?
Yes, you can come. Yes.
Now, the answer is
Yes.
this, yes. Nobody stops you from turning left or right. Is it clear now? If you're there for principal road, Mr. Annabelle, again on that question again. All these questions what I ask now, they important too. Miss Annabelle again, I get a question for you. You there for Strada Secondaria. You there for Strada di Minore Importanza Road. Can you turn left or right? It's a funny question.
Yes, I can turn.
Exactly, you can turn left or right. Is it clear now? Nobody stops you from turning anywhere. Remember the topic. We're not talking about deviator here. We're not talking about obligo here. We're talking about road where you go give way. All right. They said, if you there for here, they call it Strada Principale. On that name, they call it is what? Strada che ha diritto di precedenza. Strada, we get right of movement. Lastly, Strada che gode diritto di precedenza. Road with gode means enjoy. Road would enjoy the right of movement. So whenever you're doing quiz, please remember, say, now you get the right of movement. Is it clear now? Any question for this type of, in this particular one? Any question so far? Any question?
No.
Yes, I know they do horizon.
Eh?
They know they do horizon.
Honestly, I don't
I
know.
think-
I don't know this.
I think-
Mr. Justice, don't start.
Yes, sir. Yeah, they don't do oral exam. So you must answer at least 10 questions orally before you do your driving exam.
Va bene, dai. Wahala dey. All right, guys. Va bene. So for this class, I will also advise you to also, remember, we are teaching in our language. Also, va bene, we teach also in Italiano. Go and check the videos where they post, where Mr. Justice post, or where me I they post also. Is it clear? Go and check them on YouTube. You can go to his page or you go to my own page. Or they are there. You will see the technical names we use for Italiano there. The most important thing is that you should be able to explain these things. Allora, lastly, there is one I jump. Concerning direct precedenza. See, that's why when I started teaching you guys, remember that all direct precedenza roads, the triangle, they face down. But watch, concerning direct precedenza, the triangle can't face up. They can't put X inside them. I have a question for somebody. And the question goes to the question that goes to how they call Mr. Wilson. From the way you don't understand. Mr. Wilson, is he here? Okay. Honor. Who is Honor? Okay, Honor. I get a question for you, Mr. Honor. I don't know whether you don't study rich pericolo. I don't even tell you the answer. But Mr. Honor, watch. On your mic, sir. Oma, on your mic. Hello. Okay. Mr. Omokwale, on your mic.
Okay.
Okay, good evening, sir. Watch.
Good
As this
evening.
triangle here now is facing up,
Yes.
I have a question for
Mm.
you. As you stay for this
Okay.
black card now, what did they try to tell you? Forget about
Yes.
the X for now. Forget about the X for now. Forget about the X for now. Is it clear?
Mm.
Apply the knowledge of pericolo here. What did they try to tell you? I don't expect you to tell me what it mean, no, but just tell me. I just need the word.
Apply periculo.
Yeah, apply pericolo here. Apply Segnale pericolo here. You know what is pericolo try to tell us? Segnale pericolo.
Apply periculo mean sign of danger.
Yes. If it's what is Segnale pericolo, what's the main thing about? What's be the cocoa? What's the main message about Segnale pericolo?
And they tell you like danger ahead.
Yes, but what be the main message? Like danger ahead. They can't tell us the value. Will be danger ahead. What be that value? They give us the
The
distance.
value, the distance like I think
You know, say Segnale pericolo tell us
no.
danger ahead, Abi. But all Segnale
Yes,
pericolo
yes.
get their distance. We be all of us know.
I think that
Eh?
one now 100 meters.
Not be 100, my brother.
No.
It's 150 meters.
150 meters. All right, 150
Oh,
meters.
you said you're talking about
No, I've not finished. I'm not finished. Now 150 meters. Is it clear now? Remember, that means
okay.
for this type of place now, apply the same knowledge here. This is not direct precedenza. They can't put X inside here. Now, it means say in 150 meters, you will give way to somebody. Now, well, let me explain. Watch.
Yes. Okay.
This thing means that you give way to whoever is coming from the right hand side. Follow me. Oh. This black away there now. In there for direct precedenza road. In there for start the minor importance road. I think they come here with a wonderful vehicle. In go give way to whoever is coming from the right hand side. Somebody will ask me a question. What about the left hand side? The answer is this. People who coming from the left hand side. They only give him way if they are only willing to give him way. It's not obligated they will give him way. But the black guy here is obligated to give way to whoever is coming from the right hand side. Only from the right hand side. And he should be careful. Who they talk now? He should be careful about people coming left hand side. Only if they are willing to give him way to go. And that's why we have something like this. Now watch, guys. This one we did for under here. Forget this one there by the left hand side. Look at this one on the right. This white guy is coming here, which is number 2, for example. Watch, he gives way to whoever is coming from the right hand side. B. Number 1 goes.
Mm-hmm.
Now, number 3, only if number 3 is willing to give him way. Is it clear now? All right.
Okay.
Then he now goes, number 3 now goes. Now, remember what this means. It means that in 150 meters, you should give way to whoever is coming from the right hand side. That's why they put it to 150 meters before there. Is it clear now? That's why they make an example pericolo sign. Everything we taught you guys before, apply them also here. Is it clear? Now triangle where they go up.
Yeah.
Is it clear now? All right. So you go apply them in 150 meters.
But I get question where I want to go.
Ask me, sir.
Okay. You say the other one where they come from the other side now, only if you're willing to give way, right?
Yes, exactly.
Okay.
Yes.
But say you're not willing to give way, then what me I go do?
If you're not willing to, you have to hold brake. You have to hold brake because you did for inside where you go hold brake. Remember, you did for this where they call Segnale transversale di arresto. Remember, you did for what they call Segnale transversale continuo. For this box, now you go give way for sure. But this Segnale they tell you say you will give way to whoever is coming from the right hand side. Also, make sure say this guy coming from left hand side is willing, and the question and the answer be that is willing to allow you pass. If he's not willing to allow you pass, you wait.
You must wait. Okay.
That's what the Segnale means, the X here. All right. When your teachers are teaching you, you go explain them more and more and more. All right, guys. We have 2 minutes. When we come back, I'll touch 1 or 2 things. Today, let me go teach you that today. Then he continues, Shall we enjoy the class, Abi? Before we stop, I beg, very, very important. What did happen? I don't want to pay on that money. What did happen? This class will be free, oh. I beg. To avoid your teacher stopping you from entering the class from next week. It's very important. I beg. This is not free. You have to pay your money to enter. Now just 30 euro. 30 euro. I would have given her, the cocoa, would have helped her here. Is it clear? We are with you guys till the end of this thing. So I beg, no spoiler for that. Some other people I beg. Some people they pay their money. Only two people don't pay here.
Please, can people mute their this thing? I beg, make person here.
All right, please. It's important. The money should be this one now. I beg. So I'm gonna put it on mic. I beg, pay your money. It's very important, because the class is not free. All right. Let me check. Yes, sir. Good evening, sir. Alpha, I said don't do your, I don't say don't do your exam by now.
I get what I want to talk.
Talk,
I'll
talk.
call you. I'll call you.
Okay, anyhow now. No wala.
Okay.
Oh, Mr. Henry don't pass the exam. Wonderful. We're paying a die. Mr. Justice, Mr. Henry don't pass the exam. You write me now.
Congratulations to him.
Yeah. Don't pass the exam.
Peace day.
Yeah. Wonderful. All right. So, guys, lastly, one come from break will continue actually. Then I'll not teach you guys about other things about diritto di precedenza. Remember, I said diritto di precedenza, now you get right of movement. They call them what? Strada principale. Road we get right of movement. We will come see more. They will not touch some of them. We'll not do some examples from our patented book. Is it clear? We'll just do few. And our teacher will take it off from there. Is it clear now? So when we come out from break, 8 minutes break. When I come early, so we'll continue. All right.